The character and elegance of a hardwood floor makes it a favorite among homeowners. By following these maintenance tips, you will enhance its timeless, natural beauty. Place walk-off mats at each entryway to collect dirt, grit, oil, asphalt, or driveway sealer that might be tracked in and will damage your hardwood. These tiny particles act like sandpaper and will scratch your floor. Also, place mats in any areas where water may be splashed, such as a kitchen sink. For regular maintenance, sweep, dust mop, or vacuum without a beater bar, or use your hard flooring attachment. Clean up spills immediately with a soft cloth to avoid damage or staining to the hardwood. Once dirt and grease are gone, mopping can help restore the luster. Cleaning techniques and products vary depending on the installation and finish of your hardwood floor. Be sure to check with your design consultant for these cleaners. Cover furniture and table legs with protectors to guard your floor against damage. Take care when moving heavy objects across your floor to avoid scuffing. Stiletto, damaged heels, and untrimmed pet's nails can cause dents and scratches, which are not covered by warranty. All hardwood floors will fade, darken, or change shades over time. Exposure to sunlight will greatly increase this process. Window treatments are recommended, as well as rotating area rugs and furniture regularly, allowing floors to age evenly. Avoid using rubber-backed or non-ventilated mats or rugs, as they can damage or discolor your floor. Instead, use a vinyl rug underlayment made especially for hardwood floors. Pre-finished hardwood floors should never be waxed, buffed, or cleaned with abrasive cleaners, products, or cleaning tools. Do not use ammonia cleaners, household dust cleaners, or oil soaps on a wood floor, as they will dull the finish and performance of your floor. Since wood naturally expands when it's wet, never use excessive water to clean your floor. If your floor is showing excessive wear beyond normal cleaning, you may want to consider screening and recoating. Screening is the process used to abrade the finish that is currently on the floor. Fresh coats of urethane are then applied. Screening and recoating will rejuvenate and prolong the life of your floor. Be certain to hire an experienced professional when having any work done on your hardwood floor.